Hi everybody, Robert here again with more Revit training, and we are back looking at our conduits. So we laid some out here. I want to put this in fine view so we can see the conduits. These are actually what's scheduled. This is actually uh, PVC. So today's exercise, I want to look at how you would create a parallel conduit in this case. So they're pretty straightforward and simple. Nothing much to it. In fact, I know I've covered this before, but let's run through it again for the people who probably can't find the video or forgot. So what happens here is to create parallel conduit. So first of all, I want to show you the most important thing is creating views for this. So I'm using this section view here, but let's just do something here. Let's go in our view command and do a call out just for this area right here. Yeah, I'm gonna call this area out right here. Now we can open this view here. Cancel that. We can open this view by clicking on the bubble. Double click the bubble, and there we're in this view. So this view is called Level 1 Power Plant Call Out 1. So I'm going to keep that, but what I want to do, I'm going to go into my 3D view here. And I'm going to take this guy in oriented view. Floor plans, and we got that, where is it? Floor plan power 1 call out. Let's open that. Okay. Ooh, is that it? Okay. Yeah, I guess it is now. We're showing everything here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put this guy in wireframe for now. Oh, I didn't want that. Let's go to wireframe here so we can see what's going on. So, all right. So there's our panel and our conduit that we had before. But I think for this exercise, this is not working out like I wanted. I'm going to just go back into this section view, this section 4. I'm going to remove this conduit because it's not right. Delete it. So now, if I go back to this power plan, we're looking at this section view. We want to go and open this, which was here, section 4, and then we want to select this. And this is our panel. What's this in the way? I don't know. Let me hide this in view. Okay, so there's our panel. And so if we select it, you'll notice we get the connectors as always. You know, you'll get these connectors here for our conduit, and like we did in the other video, we basically took the conduit and ran it straight through. But this time, let's do the parallel conduit. So this time, I want to use some other type of conduit. I'm going to probably use some EMT. So let's go into our Systems tab. We'll select conduit here. And non-metallic, so we want to go and grab some, let's see, EMT. And normally this is going to be probably 3/4 of an inch. Just go 3/4. And that's the elevation and everything. But for now, we want to just go and select out of this. We want to select this guy, right click, and I want to draw my conduit here. Draw conduit from face. So now again, this is our face of our conduit, and there's our, let's see. I want to just see here, that 3/4. I'm gonna finish this, and there's that conduit. But now what we do here is if you want to do parallel, so I'm gonna cancel out of this just to show you something here. So I'm gonna go back into my conduit here. We're going to EMT 3/4 of an inch, and I'm gonna select this guy here. Okay, so I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna Draw a conduit from face, and this is the face here. Now, we want to push this over, say, we can actually move this as well. You can select this and move it that way, but I prefer to use dimensions, so I'm going to undo that. And I'm going to, sorry. I'm going to cancel out of this again. Sorry, folks. Having a little fart, brain fart. Go here. I want to select this guy here. I want to right click. I want to draw from face. So now we're on the face of the conduit. I want to make this, instead of 10 inches, let's make this 3 inches over there. So now we want to finish this. And there's our conduit. And we're going to just bring this up to, say, right here. And we'll stop it there. Now, to draw a parallel conduit, it's very simple. You just basically select the conduit here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select this guy here. And under the Systems tab here, let's see, Parallel Conduits. And so now you'll get this dialog box here. Actually, you can do bends and whatever else. So let's do a few for practice. So now here, what happens, you'll select this conduit, and right now it's set to 2. And the offset is 1. We want to change this to, let's say, 6. And we want them say 4 inches apart. And you see there our conduit here. The little dotted line represents the conduit, but we've got an issue here. So let's make this narrower. So we can probably make these as much as 2 inches apart. Let's see what happens there. Okay, now we'll get them in. So let's go with 3. So, that's 3 feet. Let's go 3 inches. So there's our conduit now. So what we can also do here, you can bend these guys. So for instance, I'm going to take this and draw a conduit from here to there. And we can also do parallel conduit with these bends. So basically what I could do is I'm going to just try this offhand. Take this one, Systems, Parallel Conduit, and then we got this concentric here. So what we do is we touch, cancel that, undo that. So if I select these guys here, I'm going to just do 1. Let's say 2 here. And then I can draw the bend back. But anyway, this is probably not a good exercise for that. So now let's go look at that call out view now. As you can see, there's our conduit. And I'm going to see if I can go back to that 3D view here. Yeah, there it is. So there's our conduit in the 3D view. So that's basically how you do conduit. How you would do parallel conduits. Very simple. And then here we can take these guys and run them around. So let me go back into my section view. I'm cheating you guys here. So I'm going to just delete these guys out. Delete. Actually, I'm going to keep that one. I'm going to keep him and delete the rest of these. Just show you something right quick here. Cancel that. I'm going to go back to this. All right. Now in this case we have a bend in this cable, in this conduit. So we can like stretch this up, we can make adjustments there. And then here I want to do another parallel conduit with the bend in it. So I'm going to go parallel conduits. We can go same radius or concentric radius. Do that, sorry. Now this is what's going on here. I think we've got, what do we have here? Conduit with fittings. I don't think we can do this with fittings. Let me try this again. See if I can do a parallel. This may be a case. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna undo this. I'm gonna delete this out. Conduit could be a little tricky here. Tab this, delete, and I'm gonna draw a conduit again. Draw from face. Okay, make this, we'll make it 6 here. Oh, nope, undo that, that's 6 feet. We'll make this 6 inches. Oh gosh, sorry folks. I'm gonna select this bad boy, right click, draw from face, make this 3 inches here. Let's make it 6 inches. And then we want to finish that. And I'm going to draw this conduit here and to here. Uh-oh. That's with fittings. We don't want fittings. Sorry. If I can do this, let me see if I can do this. No, I can't. So I'm going to have to undo that, delete that out. Delete it. Now we want to go a conduit here. With fittings, we want to go without. Okay. What I'm thinking is it won't allow us to do it that way. So now we've got our conduit without fittings. Draw conduit from face. Okay, make this 3 inches here. And we'll finish that. Draw this guy up to say here, just above the ceiling, or just below the ceiling, and drag this out this way. Now, we want to do a parallel conduit, and here we want to go concentric radius. We want to go with 3 here. Let's go 4. No, let's do 3. Okay, I think I might have to take all those. So anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this every day. So everybody be safe and happy holiday. Happy New Year. This is a new year, 2025, and we plan to keep making videos for you throughout the year. So everybody be safe. Have a happy holiday. Bye.